All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 21,986 miles on the odometer. This car is gated. Full PPF on all the carbon here on the console, the doors. All of that's fully protected with paint protection film, as well as the entire outside of the car. Sounds incredible, shifts perfect, exhaust crackles, alignment feels perfect, steering wheel's nice and straight, no issues there with drivability, brakes feel solid. Ignore that bump there. Gears. There's fourth, third, fifth. Back to fourth. Everything's perfect. Shifts awesome. No complaints. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. This is car number 41 of 150. Full body PPF paint protection film. All of the red has PPF on it. Basically, every component that is red has film. Headlights have film. Tail lights. Every single thing, all the carbon, PPF, entire back bumper, rear diffuser, like I said, tail lights, this accent, nothing on the matte black, just all the red. She is absolutely gorgeous though. Here on the front right wheel, gloss black, zero curb rash, Pilot Super Sports, Dayco 2020. Looking at that fender, looks perfect. Some light yellowing on the carbon, which is super common. Got a little flaw in the film. Looks like the clear coat right there. It's kind of chipping just a little bit. Pretty easy fix. Looks good. Roof looks perfect. Full PPF on the carbon. Looks incredible, nice and clean. Dayco 2020 on the tire. No rash on that wheel. Looks like it has spacers, ECS tuning spacers. So you get a nice flush fit. Looks incredible, crystal clear headlights. You have a little mark in the film right there. A couple light marks right here. Looking underneath, you have some light rash. It's very subtle. Little piece right here. You have some rash right there. The rest of that looks good. You have some rash right here, and it did go through. It looks like it cracked it. And you're gonna have some rash down there. Now keep in mind, I'm about 5 inches off the ground here, and you're not gonna see that. Fender looks good. That wheel looks incredible. Some slight yellowing on that carbon. Like I said, that's just super common from over the years. Underside looks good. Got a little flaw in the film here. You have film in here protecting it. Looks like a little graze on that edge. I don't think it really chipped the paint, but it peeled back the film. That quarter looks good. Wheel looks amazing. Nice and clean. You have a little bitty crack on the graphic. The rest of it's in great condition. The tiniest little mark right there. Film on the taillights, all the red, all the carbon, protecting it. They did a great job on it too. Looks incredible. All of this carbon looks amazing. Zero yellowing on there. Looks good. Looking at the blades, from what I can tell, they all look really nice. All right, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Got the two-tone seats. Looks incredible. Now the carbon here on the console has PPF paint protection film on it, protecting it, as well as the entire door. So full body PPF and all the carbon fully protected, preserving it. Looks incredible. They did a really good job on that film. Really, really nice. You do have a gash right there. Couple right here. The rest of that looks good. Looking at that bolster, looks incredible, nice and clean. Now the steering wheel is Alcantara, but it is matted down a little bit here, so it doesn't have that smooth texture anymore, but that's a quick, easy fix. Couple scuffs right there. Got the carbon there. Upper side of the dash looks incredible. She is gated. Looks amazing. Like I said, all of this has been wrapped in PPF paint protection film. You do have a couple marks on that screen. The rest of this looks really good. You even have PPF on the door here, protecting all that carbon. So it stops right there. So all of that fully protected by paint protection film. They did a killer job around the edges. That looks amazing. That all looks good. Carpets look amazing. Seat looks perfect. I don't really see any flaws. Console looks good. Absolutely gorgeous on this side.